So hi, I'm Berenice Magistrati here at OIS Retina. I'm with Dr. Barrett Katz, who is the Chief Medical Officer at GenSight Biologics. Hello, thank you for being with us.
My pleasure.
So how did you find the whole day? Inspiring? What sort of caught your eye?
Oh, it's very engaging. I think it's a time when one can come and hear what's going on in many of these companies that are really doing groundbreaking work in ophthalmology for diseases for which there hasn't been definitive cures.
And so today we've heard a lot about gene therapy, optogenetics, retinal implants, and I believe that GenSight is working quite intently on optogenics. Can you tell me a bit more about that?
Yes, we have a program in optogenetics. What that means is we've looked at a family of diseases, and what we're doing is we're looking at retinitis pigmentosa family of diseases, which is really a generic term with perhaps 100 different genetic contributions. And what we said is, what do these diseases have in common? What they have in common is that the photoreceptors die. And so what we have to design is some intervention that bypasses the photoreceptors. What the GenSight has done, it's designed an optogenetics program. So we transfect a retinal ganglion cell, which is within the inner retina. These are the cells whose axons form the optic nerve. And in a sense, what we do is we instill a light responsive protein in the retinal ganglion cell so that when light strikes the retina, they will respond, these cells will respond and generate an action potential that travels down the optic nerve that reaches central visual pathways. In addition, we couple this with a mechanical device, a proprietary series of goggles which amplifies and magnifies the stimulation of light to these retinal ganglion cells. And the combination of having the retinal ganglion cell behave as though it were a photoreceptor, enhanced by the goggles, gives us the hope and opportunity to think that when this technology is brought to fruition, and we expect to enroll our first patient this summer, we are optimistic about being able to offer patients who have inherited retinal diseases characterized by photoreceptor death the ability to improve their vision. And so it's really quite novel, quite exciting, quite dramatic. It's a very innovative program, and GenSight is very excited about its opportunity to contribute and help these patients.
Well, it is very exciting. And myself, as a patient of retinitis pigmentosa who suffers from this condition, I'm very excited. And I think I speak on behalf of all patients in sort of saying, and sort of asking the question, in how many years do you think that this could be applied to, human beings?
As you can imagine, drug development takes many years and many dollars. But the truth of the matter is, as our phase 1-2 program begins this summer, we expect to be able to get some sense from the subjects who are enrolled as to the efficacy of this technology. And so what I would say is, in a handful of years, this could easily come to market.
Great. Well, good news for us. Thank you.
Great pleasure. Thank you.